This is AP Forex Trading 12th February 2021, 12 a.m. Indian time. We are looking at GBP USD daily time frame. So as we have said that we are expecting a bearish candle today. So on the first half, the market created a bearish candle here. After that, market just find a support right here and went straight up. We have waited for the market to broke above all these moving averages to get into a buy entry, because from any point around here the price may come back, because look at this candle. Price just touched these moving averages and just came down till here, but then again price went up and then straight up to this level. So trading a pullback is like that. If you don't want to trade this pullback, so you want to trade the main market, that the main market movers are moving. So what you have to do is to have to create a trend line above this downtrend, and then put moving averages, and then let the market move above these moving averages, so you can find a good buy position and don't get stuck into all this. So if you see on the 5-minute chart, the market opened here, came down. This was a very good move. We have missed because we have a power out in the morning, so we have missed this one, and we had only a 15 minutes power backup, so we couldn't take this trade. After that, we waited for the price to create another structure, but just hold it around here, and then came back up, then around hold it again, and then went up, then again hold it. So look at this low highs. It created low highs, and then we are expecting the price to move above all this moving averages in the 1 hour time frame. So we waited, price went up, came down, this was the line, price went straight up and came down. We took a trade here, and it was a small trade, not a big one, and we got some profits, $67. We would have holded this maybe we have got around 150 or 200 maybe, but it's okay, it's fine. But I'm happy to see that the market behaved as we have predicted. First it came down, bearish candle, then as this was the pullback, the market went straight up from here. It was also, the signal line was red, completely red, and after this, from this area, the signal line started moving up, showing bullishness, and after this candle and this candle, it was pretty much confirmed that the price would move up to this level. We will be predicting the Monday market next week. On Sunday, actually, we are just looking at today's market only, what happened today. We'll be giving ideas of scalping for Monday, Tuesday next week, on Sunday, and that would be all. I hope all the scalpers have traded today and have got their profits. We'll be focusing on the buys, because as we have said that the price would try to reach this level, and this is a weekly time frame. You have seen this candle coming down and going up, coming down and going up. So after the end of the week, we can see this is a very good bullish candle, and we are expecting more bullishness in the next week also. So we'll be looking for the price to break above this level next week, and then we'll try to scalp the market again, and let's see how the market opens on Monday.